Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, for today's video, another vlog, another panty haul naman tayo. So guys, ayan, I have here orange pair of bikinis guys, okay? Ayan. Orange pair siya guys. Sige, unahan muna natin to. This one is, I bought this in a thrift way also. Hindi ko alam kung anong size nito niya. Okay. Maganda siya. Maganda ang kanyang quality. And then, tingnan nyo guys. It's a very very nice quality. And sana kasya sa akin to. I wish talaga this one is fit to me guys. Okay. So, I think this one is medium. Okay. Medium siya. So, ayan ang kanyang ano. So, kung marami kang pera, pwede mo siyang lagyan dito sa ano. So guys, ayan, ito siya. And then, dito naman tayo sa bra. Ito siya guys. Napaka-open niya. Hindi ko alam kung kasya sa akin to, okay? I'm not really sure if this one is fit to me. I haven't tried, but I watched this all already. Ayan, ganito yan siya guys. Ay, paano ba to? Ganito. Ganito siya guys. Wow. Wow, ganito siya. Oh my God. I'm scared. Okay, hindi kasi sa akin ito. Mukhang pang nanay ko. Okay, so, ayan, may ganyan siya. May string-string siya. Ganyan siya, guys. I think this is really nice. Pero, I'm confused kung kasi sa akin eh, or mag-fit ba ang akong ano dito. Ganyan siya. I'm not sure about it. Pero I will try to wear this. Okay? So, next is, ayan. I have here my, wow. Hello to all my American friends. Ayan. Parang this is a color of their flags, USA. Right? Okay. Comment below guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Okay? I will read your, comment. Okay, this is medium guys. So, medium, ayan. Garter siya guys, garter. Okay, so, sige, suot na natin to. And ito siya guys. Yan, sa loob, ganyan siya. And then, let's try this na lang. So, para malaman kung kasya sa akin to. Make sure comment heart or comment which one do you like me to wear, okay? Which one is fit to me, okay? Comment below so I will read your comment and I will respond also. Ayan. Suot na natin to guys. So hi guys, so this is the, ayan, marami siyang star guys. Marami siyang star and then as you can see guys here, maganda talaga siya, okay? Well, maganda siya guys. Ayan, yung kanyang, I really like this. One of these days, isusuot ko to siya guys. Linda. Isusuot ko siya guys doon sa beach. So, very nice one. Ayan. Sige, tanawo na ito sa kanyang harap. Ayan siya guys. Maganda siya. Sorry guys, I have my bad headache so I cannot bend para makita nyo masyado. Ayan, ganyan siya guys, okay? Ang ganda niyang quality niya. Very nice one. Ganda siya no guys. So, this one is I like. It's fit to me. Kasyang-kasya lang siya. Ayan, so very nice. I like it. So, ito natin yung isa guys. So guys, ito na nga yung kaniyang, medyo, ang cute niya guys. I really like this one. Sorry for my parts. Ayan. I really like. Ang tong ano guys, medyo ano lang ni siya guys. Medyo masikip ni. Pero gusto ko yung kulay, yung orange. Medyo masikip lang siya guys talaga. And ayan, ganyan siya. Okay. Ito siya sa harap guys. Maganda yung ano niya na. Maganda yung kaniyang ano nito. Maganda yung fittings niya, and then I really like it kasi very comfortable except my belly. So guys, ayan, comment below if you like this orange one, okay? I hope you like my video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Ayan, orange. Orange, orange. Thank you for watching, guys.